Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve examples of exercise 10b. Word problems on percentage. So one question, example 1, an alloy contains 32% copper, 40% zinc and rest nickel. 32% copper, 40% zinc and rest nickel. Find in grams the quantity of each of the contents in 1 kg of alloy. So first of all, 1 kg means 1000 gram. 1 kg means 1000 gram. Now nickel, first copper equal to 32% means 32 by 100 of 1000 gram. 00 to 00. 32 into 10 equal to 320 grams. Answer. One answer. Next is zinc. Zinc 42% zinc. So 42% means 40 by 100 of 1000 gram. 40 into 10 equal to 400 grams. And rest is nickel. So find nickel equal to. Nickel equal to total amount is 100 gram minus 320 gram copper plus 400 gram zinc equal to 1000 gram minus 400 plus 320 equal to 720 gram equal to subtract it 20 plus 80 800 280 gram. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number example 5. In an examination, 96% of the candidates passed. 96% of the candidates passed and 50 failed. How many candidates appeared? So let this question we can solve. Suppose 100 or suppose x. So I solve here. Let the required number of students or candidates, required number of candidates be x. Let the required number of candidates be x. Number of past candidates. Number of past candidate. Number of past candidates. 96%. So 96 by 100 of x equal to 96x by 100. Number of failed candidates. Total candidates x. Pass candidate 96x minus 100. LCM is 100. So 100x minus 96x equal to 4x. So 4x by 100. According to question, 4x by 100 equal to 50. That implies x equal to 50 into 100 by 4. So 25 for the 100. 25 into 50. 25 into 50 equal to 1250. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number example 7. A number is increased by 10%. A number is increased by 10% and then the increased number is decreased by 10%. Find the net increase or decrease percent. Find the net increase or decrease percent. This question also solved by two methods. We can solve. Suppose required number will be 100 or required number will be x. So I solve here. Let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. So increase number. Increase number equal to x plus 10% increase. So x plus 10 by 100 of x. Cancel. X plus x by 10 equal to LCM 10. 10x plus x 11x by 10. So increased number is 11x by 10. Now then the increased number is decreased by 10%. So decreased number. Decreased number equal to 11x by 10 minus 10 by 100 of 11x by 10. 0 to 0 cancel. Now 11x by 10 minus 11x by 100 equal to taken LCM. LCM of 110 is 100. 10 tens are 100, 11 tens are 100. 10x minus 11x equal to 99x by 100. Now net decrease. So this number is decreased. Change x to 99x by 100. So net decrease net decrease x minus 99x by 100 equal to 100 minus 99x x by 100. Now therefore net decrease percent x by 100 into 100 by x. So x to x cancel, 100 to 100 cancel, equal to 1%. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is example 9. Age income is 25% more than that of V. Age income is 25% more than that of V. How many percent is B's income less than that of A? This question also solved by two methods. First is suppose the required income, A's income or B's income be X or 100. In your book, solve this question. Suppose B's income be 100. I solve here this question. Why let V's income Vx. Let A's income is 25% more than that of V. Here A's income dependent on V's income. So let V's income be rupees X. Let V's income be rupees X. So A's income Age income 25% more than that of V. So X plus 25 by 100 of X. 25 for the 100 equal to X plus X by 4. Taken LCM 4. So 4X plus X 5X by 5x by 4. 5x by 4, it is the income of A. So now question is saying that how many percent is V's income less than that of V, that of A. So V's income less, V's income less. Subtract here. 5x by 4 minus x. LCM 4. 5x minus 4x. So rupees x by 4. Therefore, less percent. So less percent. How many less? X by 4. X by 4 into 100. X by 4 into 100. X by 4 into 100 by X. X by 4 into 100 by 5x by 4. So 5x into 4. So first of all, x to x, 4 to 4 and 25 ja 100. So answer is 20%. Understand and write it. Next question is question number example 13. Find the percentage of pure gold in 22 karat gold. Find the percentage of pure gold in 22 karat gold. If 24 karat is 100% pure gold. This question is solved by unitary method. Since 24 in 22 karat gold if 24 karat is 100%. 24 karat is 100%. So 24, since 24 karat is 100%. Pure gold. Therefore, 1 carat is 100 by 24%. Therefore, 22 carat equal to 100 by 24 into 22. 6 4 ja 24, 6 4 ja 24 and 25 4 ja. 3 2 ja 6 and 11 2 ja 22 equal to 25 multiplied by 11, 25, 25, 275, 275 by 3%. Now it's changed into 3%. So 3 9 ja 27 and 3 1 ja 3. 5 minus 3 2. 91 whole 2 by 3%. Answer of this question. Now homework. Today homework is solve examples. Solve examples.